Hey YouTube, welcome to today's episode where we're going to be changing out a second bias transfer roll on a Xerox Altalink C8200 series copier. I'm Matthew and this is the printing workshop. To take it out, you'll open the left side door and it's on the door. Now if you look down in here, you'll see there's two little orange squares. On the top and the bottom of those orange squares are little squeeze tabs. You'll squeeze those together with both of your hands on each side and you'll pull straight out. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Now to go back in is almost just as simple. You'll come down, simply release it, and push it in, make sure that the tabs are locked, and then you'll close the left side door and you're done. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.